Now we're gonna continue and we're gonna do the point number 4 it's actually in the next page, that is 122, and we have two exercises for 4. It's A and B. We're gonna decide this time. I'm gonna go with B, and the question is simple. It says show that A, B, and C are vertices of a right angle triangle, and in each case state the angle which is the right angle. So simple. When you have a right angle triangle, you know where's the right angle. Graphically is extremely simple, but sometimes when you cannot identify in a graph, you just go with the algebraic steps. So we're gonna do the two way, the easy one, that is quickly sketch, and to do that I'm gonna have my x-axis and y-axis, and then I'm gonna try to simply put, not very precisely, but because this is a sketch, the units here in the axis. So we identify where is the point A, that is x negative 4, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, y is going to be in 3, so it's approximately here. Okay, I make a big point. This is just a sketch, it's not has to be precise. So this is my A. Now my point B is negative 5 and negative 2. So this was negative 4, so negative 5 and negative 2 is here. So my second point over here. So now I need to just graph the third. And the third point is 1 for x and 2 for y. So 1 and 2. Okay? This is C. I forgot here to B. So if you look at it, I can definitely say, yeah, I think my right angle is in A. So I can assure you that you are correct by telling me that this A is my right angle side. Okay, my 90 degree. But sometimes graph can be difficult to read, and when that happens, the simple concept as the Pythagorean theorem is the one that you need to use, because I know that the square, let's put letters here, so if my vertex A is here, the side A is always opposite, that's A, B, that's B, and here is C. So Pythagoras says that the hypotenuse, and that's A square, should be equal to the square of the adjacent side, so B and C, B square plus C square. But here we are talking about magnitudes. So the magnitude that we're looking is the distance between the points. So what would be the value for A? Well, it will be simply the distance between the points B and C. And that should be squared. And B squared, this is my B, should be the distance between A and C. And for C, that is here, A and B. And that's it. If that equation happened in both sides to be equal, that means that your right angle is correct. I'm gonna do it. It's not necessary if you already find graphically the values. So the distance, simple. Here it's important that you understand that the formula for the distance is a d and the root square. Okay, I just want to represent like that. Yeah. And you're gonna find out that if I square the distance, I get rid of the root square. So actually, between B and C, I will have the x. I'm gonna write B minus xc. Okay, this square plus yb minus yc square, and etc, etc, and you do it for AC and AB. And just by plugging the numbers, you will find that the equation is perfectly balanced.